I really enjoy working on this contract. The relationship that we have with Transpower is one of collaboration. We're Transpower's hands and legs out in the field, and they really believe in working with us to make sure that what we deliver to the New Zealand public is a network that's resilient and is able to keep the lights on for everybody every day.
He honore e korori ki te atu e mau ngā rongo ki te whenua he whakaaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa. Kia horo te marino, kia whakapā.
Yeah, it was really important this morning to pōwhiri the new Downer employees from all of these other businesses, because they've come from a place where they've been established, high-performing teams, and now all of a sudden they have to come and be part of this big company called Downer. So, join the Downer whānau whānui. So really it was an acknowledgement of where they've come from and their past, but also that you're going to be on this waka with us. We've got a bright future, we can be trusted, we want you to belong.
I did my apprenticeship for the Hamilton City Council. I've worked in the transmission sector and the distribution sector, and currently manage the Tauranga Powerco contract with Plenty. My role in the pōwhiri today was to help with the manuhiri coming into the Downer whānau and making it as comfortable and as easy for them.
So experience-wise in the industry, I've got probably 20 years past experience in transmission, and I've got about 20 years experience in distribution. I'm quite comfortable working across both distribution and transmissions, and I've worked with many people across both those networks. Obviously Transpower are winners at the end of the day, and we're going to be winners as well.
I think one of the amazing challenges that the whole of New Zealand has got is understanding how we're going to meet the challenges of our future. And a significant part of that challenge is how we're going to manage our carbon footprint. And I think the exciting thing is that means we can't keep doing what we've always done. We need to bring something new and fresh to the table, and that's what Downer aims to do. And the amazing thing about this opportunity is not only do we get to bring it to transmission, but because we've got the relationships in distribution as well, we get to share that benefit in both sectors within New Zealand. So I'm really excited about this new contract that Downer has secured with Transpower. It gives us a step into the transmission space, which we've never had in New Zealand before, so that we can connect both our transmission and distribution skills to delivering what we need to make Aotearoa a better place for tomorrow.